everybody, this is going to be a hair review video from hairaddictonline.com. This hair was sent to me to review for you guys. Just so we're clear, I do have a discount code for you guys. I do not make any money off of sales, so if you're worried about me making money, I'm not. So I just wanted to be sure that we're clear. You guys are getting a discount code because I wanted to give something back to you guys since I am reviewing the hair. So that is the unit over there that I literally just made. And we're going to get her on and see and talk about what I like and what I don't like. Okay, everybody, so here is the unit, and yes, you just saw me playing with it and manipulating it a little bit because as this hair was wet, so of course it's going to dry how it is on the mannequin. So it's kind of stiff because I do have a hair butter in it to get rid of any puffiness or frizziness that the hair may have had after washing it. And besides, this hair is so long that I really did not want a huge bush. So let's get right into the hair. Honestly, I really like it, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because when I first got this hair, I thought it was raw virgin hair. Literally, I thought this was raw hair, but this is literally just virgin hair, and it is so gorgeous. It's super soft. This is the Infinity Deep Curly. And I have to say, I am super impressed because, like I said, I had to actually like send them a message like, is this raw hair? Because it was definitely that raw big hair feel. It's not exactly as coarse as raw hair, but it did remind me a lot of raw hair. Another thing is this hair did not shed. This hair did not shed whatsoever. I did get a little bit of tangling before I washed this hair, but right now I don't have any tangling. And again, I do have a hair butter on it to just literally soften the curls and to give me that really like defined look, like mamacita. Yes, honey. This is 26 inches, 24, 22, and then a 20-inch 4x4 closure. This is not a lace frontal. As for the closure, I really like this closure. It's thick, and then you can still customize it however you want it. I didn't even get a chance to bleach my knots, but it's still pretty damn realistic, if I can say so myself. I actually really like this. It is a lot of hair for me just because it is curly. I probably could have did without one of the bundles, but I just wanted to show you guys all of it. And I'm going to turn around and put the hair to the back so you guys can see the texture. And it's just really beautiful. It is, again, a lot of hair for my face. I do have a really small head. If you have a larger head, 3 bundles and a closure is definitely going to be good for you because, again, this is a lot of hair. Like, it is gorgeous. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. It comes all the way, actually, like, literally to the bottom of my butt. This hair is amazing. And I also really want to point out the fact that there is really not a lot of shrinkage with this hair. Like, I get a lot of curly hair and it just like, and you can't even see the length. This looks like more than 26 inches. Like, this is beautiful. And again, I haven't had any shedding, and I haven't had really I haven't had a lot of tangles either. So I'm really impressed. And it's not frizzy. Again, that hair butter definitely probably helped. But other than that, I don't have any cons to this hair. Again, when I first made the unit, it was like really big. Like, it was like out here. So I had to wet this again and then put that hair butter on it after it was washed. So I let it air dry, and then this is how it came out. It laid perfectly. The only thing is I just need to like kind of probably pluck my closure out a little bit. But other than that, you get hella hair. Like, this is extremely thick. Come here. Do you like mommy's hair? Is it a lot of hair?
Yes.
Come here. Come feel it. Come tell me if it's soft. Is it soft? Come here.
Yes.
Is it soft? Come here. Come here. Is mommy's hair soft? Feel it.
Yes.
It is? Okay. It's not crunchy, right? Okay, cool. All right, my son approves. So I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye. Bye.